Greetings, colleagues. Today, we're going to learn how to use YouTube for English as a second language learners. Now, this is a great strategy that will help you automatically translate your lessons into any language. Now, the first step is creating a video tutorial of your lesson. To do that, you just do a screencast tutorial of what you are showing on your screen. So here, today we're learning how to use Google Drawings to make prototypes. So I'm going to view the video here. Now, this is the video that I would play on my screen. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how to use
it might be a little
Google
confusing
Drawings.
to hear my voice coming from two
Specifically,
places
how
at the
to
same
use
time.
Google-
So what we're going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and mute the video for now. Okay, so now I'm just playing the video. The first thing you do is you click on this button right here in the lower right-hand corner for closed captions. This will automatically generate English closed captions if that's your native language. Next step you're going to do is click on the gear button for settings directly to the right of the closed captions button. And here's the menu that will pop up. You're going to click on where it says Subtitles English Auto Generated. And then you click on the Auto Translate button and select the language you would like your lesson translated to. I'm going to pick Spanish. And now your lesson is automatically translated to Spanish.
Invention in all caps. Okay. This work area can actually be exported into a PNG document.
So I just wanted to play it a little bit so you can see how it follows with the voice, and it automatically translates everything you say.
This video tutorial is available on my Tech Toolkit website. There will be a link for this on the bottom of this video in the video description if you're interested in learning more. Thank you so much for joining us and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.